My name is Ean Ooi. I'm the Discipline Lead for Engineering and Mathematics at the Institute of Innovation, Science and Sustainability. Welcome to the information session for the engineering offerings that we have in Federation University, Australia. Before I start, I would like to acknowledge the custodians of the lands and waters where our campuses are located, and recognize their continuing responsibilities to care for country at these sites of teaching and learning. We pay our respects to elders past and present and extend our respects to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islands First Nations people. The Aboriginal traditional custodians of the lands and waters where our campuses, centers, and field stations are located include Wimmera, Ballarat, Berwick, Gippsland, Nanya Station, and Brisbane. At Federation University Australia, we are committed to student equity and inclusion. We pride ourselves on being inclusive and creating a community of belonging, connection, and respect. We provide support for students requiring equity adjustments. We provide support for students from care labor backgrounds, and we work with the university community to promote and embed equality, respect, and inclusive practices. We also provide individual support for students on all equity-related matters. So on to the theme of the presentation this morning. So why study engineering at Federation University? In fact, I would ask the question, why do we study engineering at all? So if we look at the history of human progression today compared to what it was 100 years ago, we notice that today human activities are actually rivaling the natural processes. Human activity, which includes the machines that we are using today, generates a lot of heat, and this is much larger than the geothermal heat loss that the Earth is experiencing. The mining activities that humans undertake is moving more material from the Earth's surface, and this leads to large amount of erosion processes on Earth. 95% of our river basins are now exploited, and in effect, much of our water resources that we can use as humans to support our life activities have been used today. And because of the population rise, this is going to put a lot of strain on humans to continue to live sustainability on Earth. And engineering actually plays a huge role to provide solutions where we can mitigate such kind of negative effect on the Earth and also on our human population. So engineering is actually an English word that is derived from Latin, which means to create or to conceive. And this profession is one that uses the knowledge of mathematics, natural and life sciences gained by study or experience or practice, and is applied with judgment to design and develop how to use economically all the materials in nature for the benefit of society. And today, there's a huge emphasis on how we think on the idea of sustainability and circular economy. And this forces engineers to rethink how we can use these raw materials or we exploit existing ones so that it can be used in a more sustainable manner. The figure here shows a few of the famous engineers that we have throughout history. On the top right corner, you have Marconi, who designed the radio. Da Vinci is an engineer who lived in the Renaissance area and have contributed to a lot of design of mechanical components. And at the bottom left, we have Thomas Edison, which everyone knows invented the light bulb. In the modern day, we also have famous engineers, and one of them, of course, is our famous comedian, Mr. Bean. I would also like to emphasize that engineering is not only a male-dominated profession. We have also women who are famous engineers as well. Here are two of them. We have Dr. Mae Jemison, who is an ex-astronaut, and she's an environmental engineer, and she works now with the DARPA, which is a defense organization in the United States. We have also Dr. Grace Mary Hooper, who is an admiral, and she has contributed to computer engineering by designing a compiler. So in short, engineering is a noble profession. It is an important profession. Not only serves the society, serves not only serves the region, it serves the society, serves humankind as a whole. And it is a profession that you should think about if you're interested in science, maths, and STEM kind of subjects. So at Federation University Australia, we have also a famous alumni. That's Henry Sutton. He's an inventor. He studied at the School of Mines in Ballarat, now known as Federation University. He also taught at the Ballarat School of Mines, and a fun fact that you would like to know is actually that Henry Sutton actually invented the light bulb. But unfortunately, Edison's patent was dated 16 days before his own, and hence the credit went to Edison. So Federation University Australia, through our School of Mines at Ballarat, was the second university in Australia to offer engineering. We have been offering this for over 153 years. Now, the facilities that we have at Federation University, they are cutting edge, and they support both our research and teaching. So the figures here that you see are some of the equipments that we have at our lab. We have state-of-the-art laboratory and field testing equipment in geotechnical engineering, computer hardware, and a range of software to perform certain materials and also certain tests of materials under controlled conditions. Our engineering degrees, they are internationally recognized. They are accredited degrees, and they are accredited through the Washington Accord. So what the Washington Accord is that it's an international agreement that provides mutual recognition of engineering, of accredited engineering degrees throughout the world. And the co-signatories of the Washington Accord include about 20 plus countries. Some of these are the United States of America, the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, New Zealand, Canada, South Africa, Taipei, India, and so on. So what this means is that if you graduate with an accredited degree, you are able to practice engineering in any of the countries that are co-signatories of the Washington Accord. And you can see in the figure here, our accredited degrees include the Bachelor of Civil Engineering Honours, Mechanical Honours, Mining Honours, Electrical and Information Engineering. We also have accredited degrees in our Masters of Engineering Technology, and that includes Civil, Mining, Mechanical, and Electrical Engineering. At Federation University, our engineering discipline has a strong connection with the region's engineering industry. We have a team which work with us to provide as much as possible opportunities for students to participate in work integrated learning with these companies. And this can be through student placements, through capstone research projects, field trips, and also site visits. And the figure here that you see are all the industries that have been working with us, still working with us to provide such opportunities for our students. These are examples of our student achievements. So we have at the top right-hand corner, Ryan Marshall, who was previously my student. He's a mining engineer, and he's currently working as a drill blast engineer at Rio Tinto. We have Pierre, who previously done a Masters of Management and Reliability to help him get into a managerial position in engineering. We also have Stuart, who is a mechatronics engineer. He's currently working at KL, and they had very good experience with us. Both of these, Jeremy and Shalinka, are also my students. They are both civil engineers. Jeremy, in particular, works on construction of residential houses. He's particularly interested in the design of slab, where soil testings are important. Shalinka, on the right-hand side, is a structural engineer, and he designs buildings. He has been involved in design of public school buildings. He has also been involved in the designs of warehouses for Bunnings, JB Hi-Fi, and also Office Works. Some of the some of the refurbished infrastructure at the university, including those at our School of Mines Ballarat campus, Shalinka has been involved in those designs. So, what does it take to study engineering? The entry requirements for the engineering degrees at our university, Federation University in particular, for year 12 and recent secondary graduates over the past 2 years, you would need a study score of at least 20 in either mathematical methods or specialist mathematics, both units 3 and 4. In addition to that, you would need a score of at least 20 in units 3 or 4 in any of it, in any English. The score has the degree has a guaranteed ATAR of 60. And if you have an ATAR of 60 or above, and in addition, you meet the requirements for mathematics and English, then we guarantee entry into our engineering degree. We have subject adjustments to adjust your ATAR score. So if you do any of the courses such as chemistry, information technology, or physics, there will you score a study score of 35. There is ATAR adjustment for when we calculate your entry requirements. If you're not a year 12 student, then you can still be admitted to our degree. This means that you might have a previous higher education study at a pass level in any subject. That could be something like a diploma or an advanced diploma. Or if you have not done any higher education studies, then our university offers something called a Federation University Foundation Access Study Program, course, or FAST. It prepares you, it is a one semester course. You undertake 4 courses, and it prepares you with the necessary requirement if you do not have maths or the necessary maths or English skills to enter into our degree. So for more information about our FAST course, I would suggest that you consult the open day session on FAST. If you have not completed FAST or any previous higher education study, you can also come into the degree if you have completed a relevant VET qualification at Certificate 3 or higher. The course the degree will use your entire academic record as part of its selection consideration. If you do not have any of the you do not meet any of the requirements that I previously outlined, there are also other admission pathways. So current year 12 or recent VCE graduate students, these include current year 12 or recent VCE graduates who do not meet the prerequisite of VCE entry requirements, or you are returning for study. That means you have not participated in a significant study for more than 2 years, you have not completed secondary school education, or you do not meet the English or academic requirements. If you're an international student, please contact our admissions team. They may be able to recommend some suggestions for you so that you can be admitted into our engineering degrees. Options include the following. You can do the FAST program, like I say. You can do a Certificate 3 or higher at our Federation TAFE. You can complete secondary education courses through some of the subjects that our Federation College offers. There are some information which you can see in our virtual open day site. If you're an international student in particular and you do not meet the English language requirement, there's a English for academic purpose program that prepares you and to meet the English language requirement to be admitted into our program. For all this information, please consult the website at our virtual open day. So the information for our degrees, I will let you know now. We have our Bachelor of Civil Engineering Honours. We offer civil engineering at our Mount Helen campus in Ballarat. We also offer this at our Gippsland campus at Churchill. And starting next year, 2024, we will also offer civil engineering at our Berwick campus. For a full-time study, this is 4 years. For part-time, it will depend on how you plan your study ahead. We also offer a Masters of Engineering Technology for civil engineering, and this is a 2 years course, and we only offer this at our Mount Helen campus. Of course, in order to do your master's, you would need to first complete an equivalent bachelor before you can start your master's degree. So career opportunities, if you undertake a civil engineering degree, include careers in the road and transportation industry, water treatment, building and construction. An important thing that you would like to know is that for civil engineering research, Federation University was ranked 5 stars above world standard in the 2018 Excellence of Research for Australia audit. In mechanical engineering, we also have a bachelor and a master of engineering. For the bachelor, we offer mechanical engineering at our Mount Helen campus. Starting next year, we also offer this at our Berwick campus. For our master's degree, we offer this only at our Mount Helen campus. For career opportunities as a mechanical engineer, it is quite diverse. You may be involved in automotive and transport systems, automation of manufacturing systems. You may work in a power plant, may look at design of machines and hydraulic components. You may look at energy conversion and precision type of engineering applications. For electrical and renewable engineering, we offer 3 separate courses. One of these is the Bachelor of Engineering. This is a 4 years degree. We offer this at the Mount Helen campus at Ballarat, the Churchill campus at Gippsland, and again, next year we will offer our electrical engineering degree at Berwick campus. For the electrical engineering program, we are also in partnership with the Australian Industry Group and also NECA to offer something like a dual qualification. What this means is that you will do a certificate 3 in electrotechnology and the Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Information Engineering at the same time. Of course, what this means is that the duration of your study instead of 4 years would be a span throughout the 6 years to fit in the certificate 3 qualification. We plan to offer this at our Berwick campus starting next year. And if you would like any information about this, I suggest, strongly encourage that you contact me. My email is in this slide here, e.ooi@federation.edu.au. The advantage of doing a dual qualification in this sense is that when you complete your both your qualifications, you are both an engineer and you're also a licensed electrician. So that gives you some advantage when you go out to work. You can function both as an engineer and also a licensed electrician. The other type of courses that we offer include a graduate certificate in community energy and microgrid, which is only a half a year course. We offer this at our Mount Helen campus or online. We also have a master's degree in in engineering, a master's degree in renewable energy and electrical power system. We offer this only at the Mount Helen campus over 2 years. Career opportunities, if you do an electrical engineering degree, include power generation, renewable energy, telecommunication, working in government departments, and doing in the resource industries. Mining engineering, we offer a bachelor. We also offer a master's. We have a graduate diploma in mining and also a graduate certificate in mining operations, health and safety. So for the mining engineering bachelor, we offer this at the Mount Helen campus and online. For the Master of Engineering Technology in Mining, we offer this in Mount Helen and also online. The graduate diploma of mining is also offered Mount Helen and online. The graduate certificate also Mount Helen and online. The online offering is only for domestic students, not for international students. Of course, in the mining industry, there's career opportunities in tunnel design, mining of ore bodies, rock blasting, mine ventilation, mine safety officer, mine manager, and also some career opportunities in ore and mineral processing. In the area of mechatronics and robotics engineering, we offer a Master's of Engineering in Mechatronics and Industrial Automation. This is a 2-year course. We offer this only at our Gippsland campus. There are career opportunities in the area of robotics, biomedical and prosthetics, automation, advanced manufacturing, sensors and IoT, SCADA engineer, diagnostics and testing. We also offer 2 postgraduate courses in the area of program management and maintenance and reliability engineering. Both of these are 2 years. For the engineering project management, we offer this at our Mount Helen campus in Ballarat. For the Masters of Maintenance and Reliability Engineering, this is 2 years online. This is more for people looking to upskill and move into managerial positions in an engineering profession. Career opportunities for this type of courses include engineering project manager, project engineer, contracting manager, team leader, or an asset management assessor. Our engineering discipline is combined with the mathematics. So in the area of mathematics, we offer a Master's of Data Science. This course is a 2 years full-time study or part-time equivalent, and it comprises units from both mathematics, statistics, and the information technology disciplines. For admission, a student is expected to have a minimum bachelor's level qualification or equivalent. And there's a wide range of career opportunities once you complete a Master of Data Science degree. These include professions in healthcare, finance, government administration, IT industry, such as being a data scientist, data engineer, business analyst, or a statistician. This Master of Data Science course is accredited by the Statistical Society of Australia. So why study at Federation University? We have a lot of ways. We have good university rankings during the recent Good University audit. So under the Good Universities Guide in 2023, Federation University is ranked number 1 in Australia for first generation student enrollments. We are also ranked number 1 for undergraduate student starting salary. We are number 1 in Victoria for social equity, number 1 in Victoria for student support for the undergraduate, and we are the top 5 university in Victoria for skill developments in both undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Our university is ranked among the top 151 to 200 young universities of the world, according to the prestigious Times Higher Education Young University Rankings in 2023. We provide a lot of student support, and these include counseling, chaplaincy, health services, disability support. We have a lot of clubs and societies for sport and recreation. There's a student advisory service to help with financial information and to provide support. That's an international student support. We also provide support for careers and employment, for Aboriginal education, and we have a childcare. There's also an elite athlete program, which allows you to still do your sport while completing your engineering degree. We have a lot of scholarships, bursaries, and grants. The support here is quite wide range, and we support you in how to do your studies if you have financial difficulty. There's also a lot of funding from the government through like cadetship and internships. And you can refer to the website below, federation.edu.au/scholarship, for more information on the type of scholarships and grants that are available for you to apply for. One thing that I would like to highlight here is that Federation University Australia, if you look at the website, it is aiming to become the first Australia's first cooperative university. For more information on this, please refer to the website below, federation.edu.au/coop. What it means here is that our university it is aiming to have our education to be designed and delivered in cooperation with our key industry. So through this initiative, we can expect to have students who enroll with our universities can expect to have access to more competitive paid internship in all our Bachelor of Engineering honors degrees. And this is, of course, subject to availability. Every student who, or every undergraduate student who complete our Federation Co-op program, by the end, they would have completed a foundation workplace skills unit, and they will also have opportunity to be learning through industry-facing experiences. So one of these is something we currently call an industry placement program, and this is a placement opportunities which have benefit for both student and the host organization. So what it means is that when there is an opportunity, the industries may sign an agreement to provide internship opportunities for our students. Our student may apply to be part of to participate in the internship, and the industry pays you up to $15,000 to do work outside of classroom, the work arrangement is flexible and it depends on your negotiation with the industry. So it could mean that you will be undertaking the placement over the summer period, or it could be a 1 day per week arrangement, depend on what the industry would like and how it suits you. The expectation is that you would undertake the internship for about between 400 to 800 hours. A typical session is about 450 hours, but sometimes the industry would like to extend it and provide you more than the standard 450 hours. The recent placements that our engineering students have undertaken includes placements at ASIC, Macmillan Partners, Viola Water, Hepburn Council, La Trobe City, Saputo Dairy Australia, Alstom Energy Australia, and AGL. So that brings me to the end of my presentation. What's next is how to apply. I did go through the entry requirements before, the extra requirements. If you're not sure, you can look at the website over there, federation.edu.au/coop.